Good morning, students. Today we start a new topic, that is banking. So in this we just study about recurring deposit or cumulative time deposit. Recurring deposit, in short, we say RD account. Under this RD scheme, a depositor deposits a fixed number of amount every month for a fixed number of months, and when its period gets over, he gets the amount deposited by him plus the interest due to him. So the amount received by the depositor on the expiry of the time is called the maturity value. So children, in this you need to remember the two formulas. First is of simple interest, that is P into N plus 1 upon 12 into 2 into R upon 100. What is P? P is the principal. Principal means the amount deposited every month. N means the number of months. So if the time is given in years, you have to convert it into months. And R means the rate of interest. And the last formula is the maturity value. Maturity value means the amount received at the time of maturity. So its formula is P into N plus simple interest, SI. So you need to remember these two formulas for solving the questions. So this concept will be more clear with the help of the examples. So first example is Mr. Goswami deposit rupees 1000 per month in a RD account for 3 years at 8% per annum. Find the maturity value. Maturity value means the amount. So first see what is given. Please write down that principal, that is rupees 1000. Rate of interest is 8% and the number of months. How many years they have given? 3 years. So we'll convert it into months. So 3 into 12 is 36 months. So first we will use the formula of SI. So that is P into N plus 1 upon 12 into 2 into R upon 100. We'll just substitute the values. So 1000 into 36 into 36 plus 1 is 37 into rate of interest is 8 upon 12 into 2 into 100. So after solving and calculating, we will see the value of the simple interest is 4,440 rupees. Now this is the simple interest. They said find out the maturity value, or again I am telling you the another name of maturity value is the amount received at the end of maturity. Both are same. So that is P into N plus simple interest. Principal is 1000. Number of months was 36 plus simple interest value. After solving this, we'll see the final maturity value is rupees 40,440. Let's take another example. Sejal invests rupees 600 per month for 2.5 years in a cumulative time deposit scheme. CTD means cumulative time deposit scheme. If the bank pays a simple interest at 6.2 by 3% per annum, find the amount received. Again, first we'll write down the principal is rupees 600. Number of months is 2.5. So 2 years means 24 months and half year means 6 months. So 24 plus 6 is 30 months. And the rate of interest is 6.2 by 3. So open the mixed fraction, 20 by 3%. So simple interest, again substitute the value in the formula, 600 into 30 plus 1 into rate of interest is 20 by 3 into 100 whole upon 12 into 2. So after solving, when we'll solve this, we'll see the value of the simple interest is rupees 1,550. So they said find out the amount received. Again, amount received means the maturity value. So P into N plus simple interest. So P principal is 600. Number of months is 630 plus simple interest value substitute. So it's 18,000 plus 1,550. That is rupees 19,550. At the time of maturity, he will get this much of amount. Now see the last question. Ahmed has a RD account in a bank. He deposits rupees 2,500 per month for 2 years. If he gets rupees 66,250 at the time of maturity, find the interest as well as the rate of interest. So see, in this question the two things are missing. First is the rate of interest and the second is the interest, simple interest we have to calculate. So first, principal is 2500 rupees, amount, or you can say the maturity value, is 66,250, and rate of interest is missing, so let the rate of interest be %, and the time period, number of months will be 2 years, so 2 years means 24 months. So first we will get the simple interest by substituting in the formula P into 24 into 24 plus 1 upon 2 into 12 into rate of interest will remain R upon 100. So after solving this, we will see that the simple interest is 25 into 25 R, that is 625 R. So amount formula P into N plus simple interest. Amount value is already given, that is 66,250 is equals to principal is 2500 into number of months was 24 plus 625 R is the value of simple interest. So after solving this, we will see that the rate of interest value is 10%. So the first part of the question is find the rate of interest. Second is find out the simple interest. So rate of interest is 10%. Simple interest was 625 R. Put the value of R. So that is 6,250 rupees. So this is the value of simple interest. The question is, Poonam opened a RD account with the bank for 1.5 years. If the rate of interest is 6% per annum and the bank pays rupees 11,313 on maturity, find how much Poonam deposited each month. So each month deposit is known as principal. So in this question, what is given? Rate percent is given, that is 6%. Time is 1.5 years. 1.5 years means we will convert it into months. 18 months. 1 year means 12 months and half years means 6 months. So total is 18 months. And maturity value means amount is given, that is 11,313 rupees. Now we have to calculate the principal. So first we will again take the formula of simple interest, that is P into N plus 1 upon 2 into 100 into R upon 12. So substitute the values. Principal is missing. N means number of months, that is 18 into 19 into rate of interest is 6 upon 2 into 12 into 100. After solving this, we will see the simple interest is 171 upon 200. So now what is given? Amount is given. So use the formula of amount, or you can say the maturity value, both are same. So maturity value is formula P into N plus simple interest. We will substitute the values. The value of amount is 11,313 is equals to, principal was missing, number of months was 18 plus simple interest value is 171p upon 200. So we will take out the LCM. After doing all the calculation, we will see principal is rupees 600. Now we will take the another type in which the rate is missing. So question number 13 of your book. David opened a RD account in a bank and deposited rupees 300 per month for 2 years. If he received rupees 7,725 at the time of maturity, find the rate of interest per annum. So in this question, first we will write down what is given. Principal is 300 rupees. Rate of interest is missing. Time period is 2 years. 2 years means, so number of months will be 24 months. The value of N is 24 months. And maturity value, or you can say the amount, is rupees 7,725. So we will again put the value in the simple interest formula. P into N plus 1, that is 24 plus 1 is 25 into rate of interest is missing, 2 into 100 into 12. When we will solve, we will see after cancellation, our simple interest is 75 R. Substitute in the formula of amount, SI plus P into N. So amount formula is given. Get the value of amount, simple interest plus principal into 24, that is number of months. So after putting the value, we will do the calculation. The rate of interest is 7%. So this is our answer. Now we will move to the last type of the question, children, that is little bit lengthy and very important for examination point of view. So in this question, the time is missing. Kavita has a CTD account in a bank, cumulative time deposit account. She deposited rupees 800 per month and gets rupees 16,700 as a maturity value. If the rate of interest is 5% per annum, find the total time for which the account was held. So see, in this question, first principal is given, that is rupees 800, rate of interest, that is 5%, maturity value, or you can say amount, 16,700, and total time is missing. So again we will use the same formula, simple interest, P into n is missing, n into n plus 1 into 5 upon 2 into 12 into 100. After calculating, simple interest value is 5n into n plus 1 whole upon 3. This is the value of simple interest. Now we will use a formula of amount, that is P into n plus simple interest. Amount value we will substitute, principal, n is missing, and simple interest. When we solve, we will see, after opening the bracket and taking out the LCM, we will see we are left with this equation. After cross multiplication, we will see that we are left with this equation. So this is a quadratic equation, and in this quadratic equation, 5 is common. When we will take out 5 common, n square plus 481n minus 10,020. 5 on the other side, it becomes 0. Now we got this quadratic equation, and we will solve this quadratic equation either by the quadratic formula or splitting of the middle term. Both the methods are correct, choice is yours. So I am using splitting of middle term. So when we will take out the factors are 501n minus 20n. So again we will make the factors. Now we can see 20 is common in the last two terms. So the factors are n minus 20 and n plus 501 is equals to 0. We'll compare both the factors with 0, and we'll see the value of n is 20 and the second value of n is minus 501. So we will neglect this value because negative value don't take. So the value of n is 20 months. Or children, when you will give the answer, you have to write down either in months or year form. So when we will convert this into year form, it becomes 1 year 8 months, because 1 year is 12 months, 12 plus 8 is 20 months. So you have to give your answer both in months as well as in the form of years. So children, today, based on the same concept, please practice rest of the question of your exercise and finish the exercise. Thank you.